Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me. You remember this? A little bit ago, did an episode where we repaired a Line 6 microphone and made it all better. But look at what I got in the mail today. It's the ribbon cable that's going to make things all better. Not only does this microphone need a new ribbon cable to make it better than it was before, but there's this one too. I got it in this box because it's all taken apart. But this ribbon cable was completely mangled. I'll show it to you right here. So today, I'm going to throw this on the bench and make this one all better too. But before I do that, I got to run to the other office because I realized I left my tools there. A lot of houses going in. This is depressing. There used to be cows there. Okay, got the tools. Let's fix this thing, shall we? You know, you can scan that QR code if you want. I don't know who this is. This was just some advertising that showed up on my door. Looks like fun. Looks like Christmas lights. I don't know if I'm not connected to this guy. All right? Don't do it. There you go. There's all the parts. Got to put it all together now. Yeah, a lot of things just kind of broken. Oh, psoriatic arthritis. Can you see the size difference in my fingers? I can. This thing is about half again as big. Man, don't get that. I put some diclofenac sodium gel. It's an NSAID topical. Works pretty good. I'm not sponsored. I'm just saying that's about as far as I can close my hand. Wish me luck. Okay, I really don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, there's the old one. I don't need that anymore. That's a piece of junk. Okay, so can you see that? There's that. Do I need to take that apart? I think I do. Put all the screws in the cup. Okay, I gotta get that out. I gotta go this way. You know what I think I need to do is put that microscope headset thing on. Now, I absolutely love these things. Okay, let's break open a new one. Now, these evidently were kind of custom parts. That's how that comes out. Can they actually go in there? I'm gonna guess it's in there. I hope that's in there, you know?
1 hour later!
I just realized half of what I just did never got recorded. You know why? Just because. Yeah, okay. So that's making contact. Oh, there you go. Pulled through a little better. Holy smoke. Folks, the pain involved getting this. The hands aren't working. There are just like too many large parts that come apart, and that's what's caused this to fail in the first place. Was the bottom, just the battery compartment just snapped off. It got manhandled and
broke off.
It should never be that way. Those batteries should be in the main body. Okay. Now, technically, this guy goes on like that. Boy, I'm getting there. Now, oh, it's in there. I gotta do that. Yep. So now this goes on there, but needle nose pliers are smaller than fingers, so let's deal with it, shall we? Okay, and then that'll eventually go in there. That stays in there fairly nicely. Now I got to get this thing on there. What have I done wrong? I've got the thing twisted somehow the wrong direction. Okay. Now the best way to see if this thing is working is to stick some batteries in there. Okay, let's turn this power on. It's flashing, which means it's not getting proper signal. Well, maybe it's because of this. I don't think it's because of the head. Yeah, I got something wrong with the ribbon cable. I am going to take this thing apart. Do you want to go through that all over again? I don't. I don't think I want to bring it to you. I'll tell you what, I'll fix it and I'll show it to you working. I'll be right back.
Can be applied up to 4 times a day.
Okay, for the record, at this end, this is the microphone module end. The traces go upward here. You don't want to see the blue. I had it flipped around. The way this thing is installed, it's the opposite way of what I remembered. My fault. Some of you were probably screaming at me. You got it upside down, you got it upside down. You were right, I had it upside down. But once I get this all buttoned up, I'll show it to you working. Okay, I don't even know what's recorded and not recorded anymore. I've had so much trouble with everything. There you go. Get the screw in there. Okay, technically, I should be able to throw a couple of batteries in and now it'll work. All because I had the ribbon cable on backwards. I kind of felt that way the whole time, but you know. There you go. It's working. Fox 1, that's the other one. Okay. Oh, it says locked. That's because this switch. Okay, now it's in the unlock position. I'll do that. And it goes off. Now it's just a matter of putting everything back on. That should be okay. I'm going to put the module back on. Bada boom.
Bada boom.
Microphone is no longer broken. I can take that off. Alright, I got 2 microphones, they both work. Now all I got to do is install them at the event location and actually try out the audio. Thank you for your patience. I got 2 microphones. They're working great. It was probably some of the most frustrating. To be honest with you, I was crunched for time. I'm not trying to make excuses, but man, I really didn't want to do it, but I needed to get it done. And just the way the thing is designed, it makes it very, very difficult. Just makes it difficult. I wish it were a little simpler. Let me know of your experiences with Line 6 microphones if you have, or any of the Line 6 stuff. Have you had any troubles with it when you have to go to get it repaired? Do you repair it yourself? Do you send it out? Where do you send it? All that kind of thing. Comments down below. Okay, would you do that? Oh, and I got spares of these if anybody needs them. I'll tell you where I got them. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.